Okay. Now, hey, ready? Did you remember to bring your laptops?
Oops, my laptop's dead.
Dead? What's the problem with it? Won't turn on?
Yes.
Oh. How old is it?
Really old.
Like how old is really old?
2010.
That's not really old.
For a laptop?
She raised her laptop with the charging, so I think that's not.
It won't work without charging it. So I had to charge it.
Oh, that's just the battery's broken. That's
I don't
all.
think so, because if the battery is the problem, then when you remove it and you plug it in,
No, it won't.
it's
Okay, it could be a problem with the charger as well.
No.
You sure? Two things, charger and the battery are the three things that break first on a laptop. Is either going to be the battery, the charger, or the keyboard.
It's her battery.
We'll see. Okay, now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very, yeah. Quickly go and what? I'm about to start what? Do you even know what you're going to ask me? What are you going to ask me? Can you quickly do what? Some maths? I hope that's how the sentence is going to end. I just meant for later today. Okay. Did you get my note? Oh, by the way, ICT wasn't cancelled on Friday.
What?
Yep, it was. Well, I was actually sitting there waiting for people, and since nobody showed up, then it was cancelled. But I was actually going to do the class anyways.
Why did you send us an email?
I didn't send that email. That was a mistake. Oh well. Huh? What's wrong? What? I was hoping, I know the email went around. I was hoping that maybe at least one person would go down to the ICT room and see that I was still there, but nobody did. I sent a text message to Lorraine, but she hadn't got her phone in class. So, oh well, it just didn't happen. But it's okay, we can use the time this morning. Okay, so the lesson we're going to look at first is very easy. Hey, come on. Come on. So we're going to have a look at line graphs, which are very, very, very simple. So you need two things for a line graph. So what I mean here is line graphs, you use them for some data which I call y against time. So in other words, it's looking at how something changes with respect to time. So for example, well, let me make them years. So Joseph, come on. You get attendance, you do. Shh, come on. So here is 5 years, and what we're looking at each year is, let's say how much Sarah's laptop is worth. So how much did you pay for it in 2010?
I don't know, my uncle was right.
Alright, shall we say, what type of laptop is it? Oh, okay, we'll say 1,000 then. And then 750, 500, 250, broken battery and charger, only 100 I'd say. Okay. So the way these graphs work is you must put time on the horizontal. So 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, and of course make sure they're evenly spaced apart. And then we'll put the price here. Okay, so the first one is 2010, then 2011 goes there, 2012 would go there, and then there, and then there. And what's very important with line graphs is that you must connect them as straight lines between points. It's never a curve. So it would be a straight line between those points, between those, and then between those. So it's a straight line between all of them.
But it's not going straight, so that's fine, right?
And that's fine too, yep, yep. Doesn't have to be lined up in a straight line. It can be kind of curving down. So like maybe next year it could be, for example, like this here. So you can see it's getting flatter.
How do I know which is the x-axis?
Time always on the horizontal. X-axis, yes. So let me just have a look at this in program like Excel as well. Okay, so let me put in the times. Oops. Okay, so showing you this in Excel or a program like Excel. So you can see Excel has line graphs built in. There you go. And in maths class and in the exam, they do like it. Line between each point is a straight line. You can do them as smooth lines, but that's not what we do. Okay. So this title will be price versus time, and the x-axis is time in years, and then the y-axis is price in euros. Now, I was saying this to the physics students as well. You can use brackets if you like, but a lot of graphs now use a forward slash instead of brackets to show you the unit. So it's not like currency conversion or anything. And what I didn't draw on my graph, but of course if you're using graph paper in the exam, is the X and Y boxes. Uh-oh. I forgot. Excel is stupid. Delete. Yep, sorry about this, but the problem is in Excel a line graph is not called a line graph. That's the problem. Actually in Excel a line graph is called a scatter graph. It might be good to make note of that, because if you wanted to draw a graph like this for your project, It's actually called a scatter graph, but it's the same one here. You pick that one, and then we go forward, title again. There we go, so that's what it looks like. Now this is the thing what Excel doesn't know. Wait. Excel doesn't know that these are years, so it doesn't really know that they should be only whole numbers, not like 2009.5. So I think I can edit this. What about if I make it smaller? No, okay. Oh, here we go. No, it's not wanting to let me change it right now. I'm not sure how to. So in the exam, you need to not do this where you have it in between the years. So you see mine matches up pretty well. I'll just put in my boxes to make it look a little nicer. Oh yeah, and to make sure I get full marks, I better give it a title. Price of laptop over time. Come on, Sayun. So that's all there is to it. As easy as that.